Hello, and welcome to Digital Nutrients. This is your place to learn real English, step by step, with clear guidance, real examples, and support in your language. In this lesson, don't just watch, speak, repeat, and answer out loud with the following speaker. Now, if you're ready to learn real English and build your confidence, you're in the right place. Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started.
Hello, welcome.
Let's practice speaking English with confidence.
Please answer these questions.
What is one goal you have for the future?
You can say,
I want to improve my English.
I want to get a better job.
I want to travel more.
I want to help my family.
Nice.
Now, another question.
Why is learning English important to you?
you can say, English helps me communicate. English helps me study.
English helps me at work.
English gives me more opportunities.
Very nice.
Now say this. I am working on my English step by step, and I am getting stronger every day.
Great job.
Stay with me, enjoy the lesson, and keep practicing.
Great work today. If you practice with us, you're already improving. Now, if this lesson helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment of at least one sentence that you learned today. Your comments help me create more lessons for you. So keep going, and we'll see you in the next lesson.